We just completed this multi-level patio with seating walls and fire pit over here in Scotch Plains. We used Teco Block 6-inch Credistone with caps and Nicolock 3-piece pavers in the matching gray color. Some of the other things that we did that we integrated with the job were cut bluestone for the treads on the steps. We integrated the drainage from the house, plus the trench drain, separating the garden bed from the lawn area. We have a drain box here, another drain box out here. We regraded the entire backyard, trucking in soil, seeded it, fertilized it, and this will all germinate shortly and you'll have a nice lawn. We also have trench drain around both sides of the backyard because there's a lot of water issues here on this property. If you have any questions, give us a call or email us and I'll gladly talk to you about it. Come out to your site, take a look at everything, and put together an estimate for you. Thanks, this is Rich from RF Landscape Contractors.